and Jesus looked full in his wonderful brave face, and the things on earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace.
Praise the Lord, which God supplies, strength unknown, He will provide. Christ in us, our cornerstone, we will go forth in grace alone. Praise the Lord, which God supplies, strength unknown, He will provide. Christ in us, our cornerstone, we will go forth in grace alone. We will go forth in grace alone.
Tell me why the stars do shine. Tell me why the ivy twine. Tell me why the ocean's blue, and I will tell you just why I love you.
Because God made the stars to shine. Because God made the ivy twine. Because God made the oceans blue. Because
And I will tell you
just why I love you.
I really think that God above created you for me to love. He made you all the rest, because God knew, dear, I love you the best. I hear thy welcome voice that calls me, Lord, to thee, for cleansing in thy precious blood that flowed on Calvary. I am coming, Lord, coming now to thee. Wash me, cleanse me in thy blood that flowed on Calvary. Chengor oya jagmo anu maline a talini ham chipor en atoy mod kalbaryu. Oh, en atoi mot Kalbarju. Nakam suta apo ijat muy piaon mga titamunin chatmo gloriam mitolota o apo Jesus tan umalija leni amchipgar o enatoi mot Kalbarju. Cristo echalana pamati japamot haipgar ujanan gapo ichichin graciam. Jesus ben hodnan mapod ito'y biyago talna pamati jaraksak glorian pitakuan itao ituju Don pugla-puglay ito'y grasya tipitakuan ya pena kaisalakan. O Apo Jesus tan umalidya leni amchipgar o enatoy mot Kalbarju. When you walk through the storm, keep your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky and the sweet silver song of the larks. Walk on through the rains, walk on through the winds, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on voice, and it told thy love to me. But I long to rise in the arms of faith and be closer drawn to thee. Draw me nearer, nearer, blessed Lord, to thy cross, where thou hast died. Draw me nearer, 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 blessed Lord, to thy precious bleeding side. Oh, the pure delight of a single hour that before thy throne I spend, when I kneel in prayer and with thee my guide, as I commune as friend with friend. Consecrate me now to thy service, Lord, by the power of grace divine. Let my soul look up with a steadfast hope, and my will be lost in thine. Draw me nearer, nearer, blessed Lord, to thy cross, where thou hast died. Draw me nearer, 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 blessed Lord, to thy precious bleeding side.
The love of God is greater far than tongue or pen can ever tell. It goes beyond the highest heaven and reaches to the lowest hell. The guilty pair bow down with care. He gave his son to save his erring child. He reconciled and pardoned all his sins. The love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure. The saints and angels sung. The love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure. the saints and angels sung.
Una chumalanhan ohan arko Gwajan takun tinigu Machamotan krosan piniog na manik ika chitikaw na Umalian alona Bibiog mo inoy cross mo Ijuy gaya mi Jesu Kriston Nanapga tipga horo Jesus inalit dama Chin nga mo'y naienta ko'y na Mati ko'y hukat chin nga mo'y na bakat kapuay hain Umalian aluna Bibiog mo hinoy cross mo Ijuy gayam mi Jesu Kristo Nanapga tipga horo He